When it comes to managing type 2 diabetes, most people focus on cutting sugar or taking medications. But here's the twist. It's not just about what you remove, it's about what you add. Nutrient deficiencies can silently sabotage your efforts, leading to fatigue, numbness, slow healing, and even worsening insulin resistance. You might be doing everything right, but still feel off. Today, we're diving into 3 powerhouse vegetables, bok choy, asparagus, and string beans, that not only nourish your body, but also help stabilize blood sugar and protect against diabetes complications. Let's start with bok choy, also known as Chinese cabbage, a leafy green that's often overlooked. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and nerve function, both of which can be compromised in diabetes. Bok choy is also high in fiber, which slows down digestion and helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, it contains glucosinolates, compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating bok choy into your meals, whether steamed, stir-fried, or added to soups, can be a delicious way to support your health. Next up is asparagus, a spring vegetable that offers more than just a unique flavor. Asparagus is low in calories but packed with nutrients, including folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants like glutathione. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is elevated in individuals with diabetes and contributes to complications. Asparagus also contains inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that promotes healthy gut bacteria, potentially improving insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that asparagus extract can help lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin production. Enjoy asparagus roasted, grilled, or added to salads for a nutritious boost. Finally, let's talk about string beans, also known as green beans. These legumes are low on the glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They're rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable glucose levels. Green beans also provide vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like manganese, which supports metabolism and bone health. The antioxidants in green beans help protect cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporate green beans into your diet by steaming, sautéing, or roasting them as a side dish. Incorporating these 3 vegetables into your diet can provide essential nutrients that support overall health and help manage type 2 diabetes. Remember, it's not just about eliminating certain foods, but also about adding nutrient-rich options that work in your favor. Stay tuned for more insights on how to optimize your health through informed food choices.